Hey guys, it's Emmy. Welcome back to Gen Z Experiment. Today I'm going to do a fun little makeup video. I'm going to be challenging myself to do a full face of makeup using only Moi makeup crayons. And the thing is, usually when beauty gurus do makeup challenges and stuff, it usually turns out really good because they are talented. But I, on the other hand, am not really. So I'm going to try my best, but it's probably going to turn out looking not so great. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm kind of limited to 4 colors. First, I'm going to use this baby pink color, and I'm going to use it as under eye concealer. That's beautiful. Okay, and I'm also going to highlight my forehead while we're at it, because why not? Also, as you can see, these are extremely pigmented and creamy, and they're also just a lot of fun. I've created some really beautiful, oh no, it doesn't want to blend. Note to self, you need to start working with these right when you put them on your face, otherwise they dry and they don't want to move. We're gonna try that again. Highlight the chin, under the eyes. Honestly, I just like using my fingers to blend it out. And I made some pretty beautiful makeup looks with these. Try to insert one right here. Yes, I am a beauty guru pro, I know. I need something to like moisten these up because they are like sticky. The eyes. So as you can see, one eye is completely different from the other. Oh, I put too much. Oh. Okay, so this was the end result, but I looked in the mirror and I thought, you know what, I really can do better than this. So I came up with a solution to the blending issue. And I have some milk lotion here, and this is basically just like a liquidy, sunscreeny lotion. Just gonna try to fix up this look a little. Okay. Blend it out. Next, we're gonna fix this forehead situation. Oh yeah, these would be so good for Halloween makeup. Finishing little touch. I feel like I didn't really use much of the pretty little teal color in the base face, so I'm gonna add cute little touch. Let's do a little heart here. That is an ugly heart. A little better. Add some cute decor, you know. We are done with the makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I look really crazy right now, but it was really fun for me to do. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you would do with the makeup crayons. And I will see you guys all next week. Bye!